Are you wondering if you can get a great rate on your next car loan with Ally? It's a common question, especially with so many options out there, from big banks to local credit unions. You want to make sure you're getting the best deal possible, and that means looking at more than just the advertised number. When it comes to competitive rates, Ally Auto has a reputation for being in the game, but it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. They offer a range of products, including financing for new and used cars, as well as refinancing options. Their rates can be competitive, especially if you have good credit. The key is that they don't publicly advertise their exact rates on their website. Instead, you have to go through a pre-qualification process or work with a dealership that partners with them to get a personalized offer. This is a really important point. While some lenders will give you a general idea of their rates, Ally's approach is to tailor a rate specifically to you based on your credit score, the loan amount, and the vehicle you're buying. This means that a rate that's competitive for one person might not be for another. To truly know if Ally's rate is competitive for your unique situation, you'll need to compare the offer you get from them directly with offers from other lenders like your local bank or credit union. It's also worth noting that Ally is a big player in the auto financing space, and they are known for their online-only banking model. This can sometimes translate to a more streamlined and efficient process. Their platform is generally easy to use, and they offer a variety of payment options and account management tools. But remember, the most competitive rate isn't always the only factor. You should also consider the loan terms, any fees, and the overall customer service experience. So, to answer the question, do Ally Auto loans have competitive rates? The answer is a qualified yes, but it's not guaranteed. Their rates can be very competitive, but it all depends on your individual financial profile. The best strategy is to do your homework. Pre-qualify with Ally, get an offer, and then compare it to at least 2 or 3 other offers from different lenders. That's the only way to be certain you're getting the most competitive rate for your new ride. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.